Hi, my name is Jeff Moerchen with Grand Design RV. I'm inside of the 3100 RD. It has a hitch weight of about 791 pounds. The length is 35 feet 11 inches, and then the UVW will be 7,778 pounds. This 3100 has been really popular because it has a lounge area in the rear and it's separate from the kitchen. So in our 2970, for example, you have the island kitchen and it kind of combines with the rear living, but this is a true dedicated rear living area. The notable things on the rear half of the coach are that you're going to have two trifold sofas that pull out and connect in the middle. So if you have guests or grandchildren that you want to bring along with you, they have a place to sleep as well. The theater seating here, which has massage and heating controls on the side, is directly across from your 50-inch television. This is a smart TV. And then you have your entertainment system right here. You have two receps inside of there and then a USB port so you can plug your phone in there. You can also use the stereo and CD player. We have a 48-inch fireplace. You can pick the color that you want it to show on the face. And this is a great way to heat your unit on some of those cold mornings off of shore power. One thing that I really love about this rear area here is that you have panoramic views. So you have a window over here, you have a window over here, two on the inside of the slide, and then two on either side of the television. You have a great switch right here, which gives a little bit of dimension to this television and entertainment system. As we come around to the kitchen area, something that I really love, and I know that if you're a camper you'll really appreciate, is our pantry storage. So it's really deep, it's motion sensor when you open the door. You can store a ton of stuff in there, and the depth is really what's important because you can fit cereal boxes and lots of stuff so you don't have to make as many trips to the grocery store while you're camping. The countertop space in the 3100 is incredible. You have a lot of countertop space over here to prep your food and cook and kind of store things as you're making it. Countertop space over here, and then we always have that continuous surface countertop in all of our Imagine products. One really notable thing is that our cabinetry is going to be a poplar core on the exterior, lumber core on the interior, so no MDF or anything like that. Hidden hinges, metal grabs, and then full extension drawers. Really great feel to that cabinetry when you're opening it. As we come down here, we have this really cool pots and pans drawer. You can put these little pegs here inside and hold all of your belongings safely in there so when you're traveling down the road you don't have anything slapping around in there. 8 cubic foot refrigerator is standard on all Imagine. We have these blackout shades. This window is incredible here. And then we're also going to have a window in the hallway. Something that I think is so unique on this unit, and I really love it. It's fun to demo. And it is great use for the customer. As we walk around the table here, if we were in the vertical position, you don't have a lot of walk around space. So what we did is we worked really closely with one of our vendors, and we created a table that you pull a little knob on the bottom, pull the table out, and then you have seating for 4 people here. So if you want to play cards or have people over for dinner, you can do that. You pull the knob, and you'll put the table back in. It's really simple, really easy. You have 2 more chairs that store underneath the bed. You can also pull these chairs around here and view the television if you're eating, if you'd like to do that. On the opposite side here of the wall, you're going to have a USB port and 2 resets, so you can plug your phone in, charge your iPad, whatever it might be. One other great feature here in the kitchen is that the amount of storage that you have. Really clean setup, really nice lines, and then you have this countertop extension right here. In our bathroom, we spared no expense. When you walk in, you're going to have a barn door here, a sliding door, so you're not having to open the door and kind of do a door dance as you walk in. The same is true for the bedroom. So really clean entry lines here, and then really large mirror with your vanity and some storage behind here. You can put towels in this area right here, and then you have some storage back here on the back side. Great countertop space here where the sink is. And then as we get into the shower, there's great clearance For people who are taller than 6 foot, you have a lot of clearance with a little skylight here. This door is pretty exceptional in that it squeegees and self-cleans, so you're never going to have any mold buildup. It has a great warranty. It's extremely durable material, slides in and out, and it's a great use for the weight in a lightweight travel trailer. As we enter the bedroom, we've really made great use of all the space in here. The first thing that you're going to notice is that we have a true 60 by 80 queen bed. It has radius corners so you can walk around it really easily and make your bed. That means you can get up further in here and really make your bed. Another great thing, and I just mentioned it here in the bathroom, is that we have the barn door. That's going to close. It has magnets here, so it's just a really thoughtful, nice little detail. And then these elastic catches for the door, so they're not going to be sliding around. A lot of times you'll see plastic there, but I think that's just a really nice little feature. Over here, you're going to have your wardrobe. So if you plan to be out on the road for a while, you have tons of places to put your clothes. You have a wardrobe that had motion sensor lights as well. And then you have 2 drawers here. Again, you're going to have a place to hang your clothes. You have storage up here above the bed. And then 2 drawers over here. You have a recept on this side. Something that we've just added, which I think is a great feature, and I hope you find really beneficial, is that we have cubbies on either side of the bed. You're going to have a recept here and then USB port on either side of the bed. This means that you can now put your CPAP machine in there. You can put books. You can put a glass of water. You can charge your phone at night. Another great thing is that we have these reading lights. So they're going to go from just a clear white to off to blue. So it just gives a little bit more depth in the bedroom. Again, this is the 3100 RD, and I really love this unit, and I hope you found this walk around beneficial. Thank you.